Hi, I'm Neil, and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give your team our best practices so you can get the most out of using SiteOwl. While change orders can throw a wrinkle into the project plan and execution, they are an integral part of the project process. However, keeping track of all the changes that are being made and making sure everyone is on the same page can be challenging. However, with SiteOwl, you can document the changes in real time and make sure everyone is informed. In today's video, I have set up a project that is mid-installation. I can show you this by toggling the device color to install status. Any changes that are being made while in this installation phase are most likely going to result in a change order. There are several ways to indicate a device is part of a change order, so today we're going to go through some of them. The first is changing a color of the device to a system type that you don't use for any other ones on the plan. So for example, if I drop this camera, I can mark this camera a color that I haven't used on anything of the plan to indicate it's a change order. And then I can name it something accordingly, like hallway camera. Next, I can add a device and put the change order into the name so that people can see it directly when looking at the name. So I can have this as courtyard camera and then put something like CO, or even put it in the abbreviated name. So as you can see, there's a couple ways here. The color here can indicate that it's a change order, or just having it in the name can indicate it's a change order. There are also change orders that are sometimes deductive, meaning you no longer need them in the project plan. So for example, this office door right here, we can archive it here. Any deductive change orders will then reflect. So I can choose to view the current project as it is, but also choose to see what has been archived as part of my deductive change order. Lastly, I can use flags to indicate any changes that need to be made that still need to be bid out. So for example, I can drop a camera here and I could put something like Office 5 camera. And then I can put something and then put a flag to indicate a change order. In any case, as you can see, whether I am taking parts out or adding parts, I can delineate them by either the color, a flag, or putting it directly in the name, or if it's a deductive change order, I can archive it and still show the archived devices without it counting towards my project counts. Change orders, while difficult, are a natural part of the project process. So it's important to make sure you capture those changes not only in real time, but so that everyone who's working on the project can understand in a clear and identifiable way what has changed in the project. This was a SiteOwl Wise Guides video series where we explore SiteOwl best practices. Thank you for joining us.